Happy Saturday with the Dow Jones. We had the big high, we couldn't take out resistance, and we put a sell on it. And we went straight down. We've hit this trend line that goes clear back over here. That's where the rally all the way to the highs happened. But let me just tell you something about the Dow. It was the best bull of the indexes, but now the Dow has failed to support. There are lower support levels. Let's not forget that the Dow can come down and test that 100-day moving average at 4,095 right here. If we come down to the 150-day, that's at 4,153. Okay, so we know that that is going to be the lower support level, which would be healthy. We have an election, but we see where the big rallies have happened. We had the biggest rally from here to there, and we topped out. That was the length of the rally. That is the reversal that we called for. It's on the YouTube channel. It's on the website. We're at the wall of support. If we break it, we come down to the next support level, and so forth and so on. We'll be updating it. It has a decent sell signal on it. We can see it. And what do I mean? That sell signal is part of the selling all the way down to the support level on Friday. So as long as that sell signal is there, we have a problem with the resistance. I can draw a trend line right here. That's the 10-day moving average that it broke. The 20-day is right up there. That is going to be the wall of resistance for the Dow component. The dirty 30 stocks right here. Any move up, we have a crossover with the moving average, and we have a sell signal, and we have a decline in all the other indicators. So once again, we will be right on top of it, traders. Don't you worry. We have it forecasted. We have that pullback that we talked about in play. They got a little pop on Friday. We see what happened on the opening bell Monday. Join the free 5-day trial.